Hi everyone and welcome to another live trading series. It is 12 o'clock Toronto time on Tuesday, August 16th, and I have a few trades I want to show you, mainly rolling covered calls, managing my losing poor man's covered call on Tesla and my losing Tesla verticals because the market keeps going up. But before we get into that, shout out to the garbage truck outside. Before we get into that, if you're interested in talking about Canadian finance or options trading with 56 other options traders, I lost 4 members in the last month, which I'm not sure why. I asked why, but they never told me. But consider joining my Patreon, my Discord server. There's a link to the Patreon. It's only $5 a month if you're interested. The agenda for the day, I'll roll my 2 Apple covered calls. Let me call it Apples. I have one in my TFSA, one in my margin account. And then I'm going to roll my NIO covered calls. They expire in 3 days. Tesla, poor man's covered call. It's in the money, and I kind of want to roll it before I get assigned. Vertical, learn how to spell it properly, right? Vertical. This is also losing money, and I might do some puts. I'll show you how I manage this if you're interested. I really hope I can block out the garbage truck dumping out the garbage. So if we jump right into my Apple covered calls in my tax-free savings account. Okay, so I sold these like a month and a half ago when Apple was 140, and then it ended up going from 140 to 173. So you could tell I'm losing $1,100. What I'm going to do is roll it another month and try to roll it up 2.5 strike to avoid getting assigned. It will cost me a little bit of money, but it's how I manage. I have it lined up on the right. So I'm going to sell September 16th. And right now, there's no, damn. If I go here, 162.5. So this will cost me, so to roll it up another 2.5 strikes, so $250, it'll cost me about half of that, so 125, which is fine. Because I don't want to get assigned because it's due in 3 days, I'm rolling it up 2.5 strike. It'd still be in the money, but I'm kind of hoping on Apple to come down so I can continue rolling it out until I can break even or be profitable. I do hate paying, but I've had these shares for like 10 years and I don't want to lose them. Go here, $130. That's fine. What else am I going to do? I have TQQQ. I have 300 shares and I don't have any open positions on it. What I want to do is sell, let's say, the 40 strike, and I will sell at 250. Let me just sell. Yeah, I'll sell 250. That's fine. So this, I bought it at 45. So making $250 for 4,500 in collateral. Is that really 5%? Seems to be doing pretty well. But, if it does get assigned, I will be losing money. That's fine. Fine by me. I'll get some of the money back and make some premium while I'm doing it. So I'll do these monthlies. I'll do 3 because I have that. $747, not bad. And then what I want to do, why didn't that get filled? It'll get filled. So that's rolled Apple covered calls. I'll do the other one. Let's take a look at NIO. So NIO right now, I have 15 covered calls. I'm not going to be rolling them. I think I'll just let these expire. So in 3 days, do I think it'll go up from 20 to 22.5? I don't think so. So I'll just leave it. So I'll be selling, this will be naked. It won't be covered, which is fine. So I'm going to sell another month out. I think I might go. Yeah, so this is not enough. So 45 divided by 2,500. It's 1.8% for a month. That's not worth the risk I'll be taking. So this will be $1,500. I think I will do this. So $675. You see it's using a lot of buying power because it will be naked, but that's fine. So I did these 2, Tesla, poor man's covered call. Let's take a look at it. That's funny. That's not a thing. Okay. Tesla, poor man's covered call. So bought the 300 strike, which is up $30,000. And then I sold the 835. And then obviously Tesla went up to 9 something. So I think I'll be rolling this out another week, hopefully rolling it up $500 or so. So I'll show you how I do that. So I'll go diagonal call, sell. So I'll buy back the 835 and then I'll sell another week out. Hopefully I can go 845 and maybe still make some money. So, okay, can make some money. If I go a week out, and another 5 strikes up, I don't know, what can I make? Think I can make $200 on this? So what I'm doing here is I'm giving myself another $500 in potential profit, because if it gets called away at 840 instead of 835, that's $500 plus earning $200 here. So I'll do this. And then I kind of want to group it by, I hate the way, okay, I like this grouping now. So as you can see, I'm potentially losing a lot of money on these verticals. So I sold these verticals last week. I think Tesla was 860, and now I predicted everything would go down, which is why I bought SPY puts, but everything's going up. So kind of frustrated. So I'll kind of manage these. They're doing 3 days. What I could do is increase the number of contracts with the same expiration. So I'll go, let's say 950, 1100. If I could make money there. So I'll still be paying. So even though I'll be going, I'll still be paying money. Even though I increase the number of contracts. I could go 4 contracts and then I'd be making $100, but I think that's too risky. So I think I don't know, roll another week. If I add another week, I should be able to do pretty well. So this is $900. Is that worth it, rolling another 25? So I think I'll do this. I'm only rolling it up another 25 strikes, which is it's close to the money. It is a little on the risky side, but I do think everything will go down. I'm not increasing the number of contracts yet. If Tesla goes up the rest of this week and next week, maybe I will increase the number of contracts to kind of help me get out of it. So let me just try to get some sort of midpoint here. Let's say 480. So if I get $960 here, buy to close, sell to close, and then sell to open. So that's how you know you're rolling it. So these two should disappear and be replaced by new ones. There we go. So again, I hate how, do you see how Questrade just, mixes and matches these? Kind of annoying. Oh, I think that's it. Is that all I have to do? No, there's one more Apple. So again, I sold a long time ago. I sold the 157 for Apple earnings. I thought Apple would go down, but it went up. Kind of frustrating, but what can you do? So I will sell a diagonal call, rolling this at a loss. So what I'm doing is buying back the exact one I sold. So this will be buyback. So this is August 19th, 157. That's what I'm doing here. Buying at a huge loss. And then I'll sell 160. Again, another loss. But avoid from getting called when I don't want to. Try to roll I'll try to follow it upwards. What can you do here? If I close this, I'll show you all the things I'm losing money on. So I am betting on SPY to go down. Look at this. I'm down $11,000 on SPY puts. I rarely buy options, but when I do, I lose a lot of money on them. So I bought September 16th, 390s, losing a lot of money here. 31 days left. Would I be? No, I'm probably going to. I'm going to experience max loss on these for sure. I don't see SPY going down another like 10%. I don't know. Everything I do, the market seems to be doing the opposite. So I'm pretty unhappy. And then December, I think I'm more likely to be accurate on this one. December 16th, SPY 400. I have 122 days for both of these. Hopefully I can try to break even. I'll be losing on the September 16th, which is fine. It happens. But hopefully these other two can help me out. I probably should have picked 3 different expirations, like September, December, and then March. Some longer dated ones, even though I'm paying a lot in theta. Like every day I'm losing money because of theta, and obviously the stock, SPY is going up. The entire market's going up, so just part of the game. trying to slowly claw back at my losses. Like Nvidia, I had like, okay, right now I'm at $16,000 loss, but been selling these covered calls monthly, trying to slowly bring this down. You know, I'm going to try to keep these for, I do have another 521 days, so I guess I'll keep them. We'll see what happens. I have another year and a half. I'm not too worried. It's just kind of annoying, my timing. I would have, at when I bought everything. I do want to get back into AMD, but I need everything to go down. Like, if I buy AMD right now at 100, it'll go down guaranteed. Like, it's just my luck. I need a few red days. Like, if I were to sell puts on AMD, I don't know, at 90, like, that's too close. I'm not making enough for my money, to be honest. Like, I wanted, I don't know, 85, be making 1%. Should I even do that? I might wait for more red days. Like, I'm not going to buy now when everything is up. I think the waiting game and just leave myself with a lot of buying power. All right, you know, I'm going to go have some lunch. I'll try to summarize how much I made in this video, but we'll talk about it a little later on. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're interested in chatting with other options traders, consider joining the Patreon. Let me show a picture of it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so 56 members. I had 60 previously, but a few left. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions and tune into the next one.